Animal sacrifice in the name of religion has to be one of the sickest reasons given to justify animal cruelty. And apparently, this is the season of festivals where this horrific madness has become rampant all over. You see streams of blood and heads of goats, chickens, buffalo strewn all across temples, and later, mutton biryani being served in the temple as prasad. But the question is there anything we can do to stop this madness? And the answer is yes. You see, animal sacrifice is not only unethical, but it's also against the law, and we can actually take the help of law to put an end to this. And to explain you how, I'll give you my own example. Last year, I happened to witness a very barbaric ritual right in the middle of Bangalore city. I was on my way to the office where I saw that 6 to 7 goats and sheep were tied and made to walk from a nearby street to a temple. When I saw this, I followed them, I called 112 emergency immediately and started recording the entire thing in timestamp app from a safe distance. And right in front of my eyes, in broad daylight, they dragged these scared little innocent animals one after the other and beheaded all of them in a matter of a minute. I saw their blood splattering all across the walls and the roads. The headless bodies of these innocent murdered animals shaking painfully for at least a minute or two before becoming completely lifeless, and mounds of goat heads being offered to this deity as a sacrifice. And all the while drums were playing, people were cheering at this heinous crime. There were kids and a baby in a stroller also in that crowd, which I later came to know that the ceremony was actually in the name of the newborn baby. And all this while I was on phone frantically calling 112, giving them the location, asking them to come as fast as possible to stop this from happening, and requesting them to seize and rescue these animals. The police finally arrived after 40 minutes by when all of this had already happened, but there were hens who were also getting sacrificed inside the temple, and I requested them to at least stop that, but they didn't take any action and instead told me to go to the nearby police station and file an FIR. And that's exactly what I did. I went to the police station, I gave the complaint, I filed an FIR against the temple management and the people who did it. And since I had the entire incident recorded in timestamp, the evidence was very strong. And as soon as the FIR was filed, the police had to start working on it immediately. They took my statement, they called in the forensics department who went to the location, took samples from the blood, they called in the temple management, they called in the people who were involved in this case, they confiscated the murder weapon, and the case is going on now in the court. But I always cursed myself that despite all of this, nothing really happened, and I was not able to save the lives of these animals. But yesterday when I went to the temple to check that whether sacrifices are still going on in this festival time, I saw this poster. They have banned all kinds of animal sacrifice in that temple after the case. And there are countless such examples where temples have banned animal sacrifice because someone mustered the courage, spoke up and reported it. All my efforts did pay off in some way, and the point of making this post is to tell everyone, if you happen to come across any kind of animal sacrifice happening, please stop, immediately call 112, ask police to come and stop the crime from happening and request them to seize the animals, gather all the evidences from a safe distance using timestamp app, and please report it. All the steps you need to take and the laws involved in animal sacrifice are given in the description. Please go through it, save this post, share it with people, educate yourself on the law, because a few moments of courage from you can save a lot of innocent lives. See, animals don't have a religion. They don't need to be sacrificed for our greed. Ban animal sacrifice and take action now.